Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to our channel ImproveNation. Today we're delving into a topic that touches us all, stress. This is our body's natural response to situations we perceive as threatening or challenging. It can be positive, a quick burst of energy to help us meet a deadline, or negative, a constant worry that keeps us up at night. So stress isn't always the villain it's made out to be. It can be beneficial too. Intrigued? Let's dive deeper. First, let's discuss positive stress, also known as acute stress. This short-lived stress is a natural part of life, and believe it or not, it can actually be beneficial. Imagine this. You're working on a project and the deadline is looming. You feel your heart rate quicken, your focus sharpens, and you're more alert than ever. That's acute stress in action, helping you rise to the challenge. In these moments, acute stress can improve your cognitive function, making you sharper, quicker, and more efficient. It can also boost your resilience, helping you bounce back from setbacks in tough times. Ever noticed how you can push through pain when you're stressed? That's because acute stress can increase pain tolerance, and let's not forget motivation and performance. Feeling a little stressed can spur you on to achieve more, to reach those goals, to excel. It can also promote personal growth, pushing you out of your comfort zone and helping you discover new strengths. So, next time you're stressed about a deadline, remember, it could be your body gearing up for success. Now let's turn to the dark side of stress. Chronic or negative stress. This is the kind of stress that just doesn't let up. It's like a shadow that follows you around, casting a gloom over everything you do. Over time, it can become a severe health risk. Negative stress can be characterized by its relentless nature. It's not the stress of a looming deadline or a high-stakes presentation. It's the stress of ongoing issues that seem to have no end in sight. This type of stress can have a range of harmful effects on your health. It can lead to high blood pressure, making your heart work overtime, which can eventually result in heart disease. It can also be the root cause of mental health issues such as depression and anxiety, so chronic stress, while it may seem like a constant companion, can be a silent health saboteur. Feeling stressed? Don't worry, we've got some tips for you. First off, get moving. Regular exercise is a powerful stress reliever. It doesn't have to be a marathon. A brisk walk around the block can do wonders. Next, practice relaxation techniques. This could be deep breathing, meditation, yoga, or simply sitting quietly for a few minutes each day. Also, don't underestimate the importance of a good night's sleep. It's when our bodies repair, restore, and recharge. Eating a healthy diet can also help manage stress. Try to limit caffeine and alcohol, as they can exacerbate stress and trigger mood swings. And lastly, don't go it alone. Socializing with friends, family, or joining a club or organization can provide much-needed support and distraction from stressors. Remember, stress is a part of life. It's how we manage it that makes all the difference. So, is stress good or bad? Well, it's a bit of both. We've traversed the landscape of positive stress, highlighting its benefits like boosting your body's resilience, cognitive function, and personal growth. We've also delved into the dark side of chronic stress, revealing its potential to trigger high blood pressure, heart disease, depression, and anxiety. Thank you for joining us on this journey to understanding stress. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to ImproveNation for more insightful content. Stay stress-free till we meet again.